Focal Alpha News.
Real news for real world.
India's growth story remains intact, as its fundamental drivers, namely consumption and investment demand, are gaining momentum. Prospects of private consumption, the mainstay of aggregate demand, look bright on the back of improved agricultural outlook and rural demand. Sustained buoyancy in services would also support urban demand. Government expenditure of the center and the states is expected to pick up pace in line with the budget estimates. Investment activity would benefit from consumer and business optimism, government's continued thrust on capex, and healthy balance sheets of banks and corporates. Taking all these factors into consideration, real GDP growth for 24-25 is projected at 7.2%, with Q2 at 7%, Q3 at 7.4%, and Q4 7.4%. Real GDP growth for Q1 of next financial year, that is 25-26, is projected at 7.3%. The risks are evenly balanced. I would now like to turn to inflation. Now, as anticipated, headline inflation softened significantly in July and August, with base effect playing a major role in the month of July. Food inflation experienced a certain degree of correction during these 2 months. Considerable divergence, however, was observed within the food subgroups.
Focal Alpha News.
Real news for real world.